Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Ashley Randall, and I'm going to give you an unboxing of the retro black cement Jordan 3s. Let's get into it. So, a little history before I show you my shoes. And don't get mad because I wore these already, but wait a second, let me just show you some history first. So, it all started in 1988 at the NBA All-Star Game in Chicago. Michael Jordan was killing it as usual. He had 40 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, and 4 steals. Got the MVP honors. And even during the fourth quarter, he had an iconic commercial with the young Spike Lee, y'all know as Mars Blackman. And while this was very iconic for him, he wouldn't rock the shoe until never. He didn't rock it again. It was really weird because I don't know why, but I guess he's Michael Jordan, he can do what he wants. Then they returned after the initial release in 88 and 1994. People weren't really about that retro life. They didn't like it. They didn't want any old pair. They wanted the new pair that came out. So they didn't do too high. Moving to, about 10 years later in 2001, people are like, yeah, I'm really on that retro wave now. I really want the shoes that I used to wear back in the day. I miss the basic but really fresh style. They were popping. And they also introduced 2 new colors. But what I don't like is they added that Jumpman Air logo on the heel this time around instead of the Nike Air logo. So moving fast forward after years of redoing it with the Jumpman Air, we finally get our Nike Air on the heel of our shoe in 2018. Y'all know I was geeked. Y'all probably was geeked. So yeah, these shoes are a big deal and they definitely were on my grail list, so I'm glad I got them. Let's get into it, okay, y'all? Okay. Hey. Okay, y'all. So here we are with the box. Don't look at my box. I got it like that. My plug just messed me up, I guess. I'm unboxing them. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at these. These have been worn, y'all. So just to be warned, they have been worn. Okay? Don't get mad. It's the truth. Now, as you can see, we got the elephant print looking nice. Definitely a great touch for these. Oh, like I was saying, the Nike Air just, so great. When you see the bottom, you can see that I have wore these a few times, but great grip and traction for the court. You can't touch me with these. I might cross you up. Then we have the gray tongue with the Jumpman again. Beautiful leather tongue. We have the Nike inside. Hold on, y'all. Let me show you. Yeah, there you go. You see that? The Nike Air? Yeah? Okay. Let's look at the other pair. Nice. Again, that Nike Beautiful Air on that black drop just pops. Oh, I love these so much. I could just take them home with me and raise them. Oh, hello? Is that you? It is you. Hey. Okay. So you can see the nice detail, but I don't like that. The quality control, what is that? Come on, y'all. That's not cool. Anyway, it's still a good shoe. Again, we look at the other side way. You see the nice little loopholes for the... Yep. And there we have it. The retro Jordan 3 cements. Thank you guys for watching.